We're just about to go get a belt. Might get away with it. We go shutting it off. We'll work with it. We'll go try it over here, hey? Wow, she's strong! I might pull these rubbers off, so you gotta watch out if you're in front of me, it doesn't take off. Once it gets in the solid ground, it'll sound okay. Man, it takes a lot to hold it. I think that anchor almost. See how deep she'll go?
I told you that would work.
Yeah, but it's not proper. You can't put it in neutral.
Who needs neutral?
I know.
You're wasting your time.
Okay.
You're gonna bring it around this way? How are you gonna get it through the fence?
I'm gonna finish making my pad for my bird.
You know, this is where the pool is going. That'd be funny. Hang on.
I think we need a spice.
She's a beast.
There's no way to stop it. Oh, I guess I can do that. It'll take a while.
She's a beast for sure.
Who's that place in my way already?
Ugh, I can't get it out, that's why.
Well, it works. Just no clutch. Just have to lift it into the air to start. Whatever. Just doing it on idle for now. The engine's running great. Not even smoking whatsoever. Lots of roots in here, so it's a little fun when it catches them. But seems to be pretty good. You got it? Good. Bring the bolt too. We'll need it. Just Gonna put the spike on the back here and see if it helps, because yeah, it drags you pretty good. Poor Briggs and scrap iron. Hey, you never tighten up any of your screws. They're all loose. You're missing one on the back. One's on the deck right here. This one's falling out. What kind of mechanic are you?
Hey, I never claimed to be a mechanic. That's your job.
You never thought that screws need to be tightened?
I did tighten them. I'm just not strong like you, baby.
Oh, is that your excuse? Okay. Okay, install it.
Ah, install your own part. I got my own stuff to do.
Yeah, right. Okay, well, it's kind of working, but the belt is always engaged, as you can see, but it's working. I'm breaking ground with a lot of roots in it, so it's a little bit fun. A little hoppy, you could say.
You just put a little flashlight on there for you, you'll be good to go.
Okay, so we just went and finally got the right belt. Had to drive 100 kilometers before we just went and got one a little bit closer. What is it, a A34 belt? Or is it something 360? No, I don't know. 360 would be the 35, but yeah, anyway, you can see that belt's too tight. So we're going to pop it off and put on the proper one. But as you guys can see, that's the finished one bed. There's going to be roughly 5 of them this size. No, actually I take it back, maybe 3 of them this size and a couple smaller ones. Cardigan stuff, a quarter of it anyway. Yeah, we might have packed it in for a while. Can't really see much, but it's raining. There you guys go. So, got that box done. That one there done. I say box, but now they're just gardens. And the tiller, well, you can't even see the tiller. That's all yard scrap. Tiller is right in the center of the screen, way back there at the back of the fence line. But I said, yeah, it's going to be, we worked in the rain for a while, but it's probably going to get a little mucky, but with the sand base, it might not be too bad. So one more garden box to go, or garden bed to go there, but as you guys can see, very, very busy. I'm not going to bother going over the different, what's planting and where, but I got a little triangle one there, that guy, this guy, that bigger one there. Goat. Tiller is working freaking awesome. I went and got the proper belt, as you guys heard. And then we got a little tiny one in the center there. There's a potato-ish box there. You can't really see it too much no more, but there's one that goes like that, all the way to that end. That one there's a new one. That end one I did with the weed whacker, so I'll be going back over that one. And there's this guy over here. So, and 10 bags of yard waste.
Yeah, 20.
20, yeah, 20. What am I thinking? And as you guys can see, there's piles of it everywhere still. And of course, so many roots that need to be yanked out of here. Again, this was all bush, open bush that burnt, so.
Raw land. Should
Yeah.
be good for a couple of years of nutrients.
Yeah, should. Believe it or not, that tiller is running awesome, not burning a drop of oil, not dripping any fuel whatsoever, and it's working 100%. Starts up first pull. And all this that you see was all done with only 1 tank of fuel. There's actually enough in it to do the last bed. So, and in the center here is going to go the chicken stand. So,
Get out of here.
just a seating area, maybe some walls, that fireplace in it. But yeah, pretty good. And later on, this might get cleaned out and just 2 or 3 rows in here just for some extra radishes. I thought the rhubarb, you're just gonna, yeah, that corner is probably a good spot. So we'll see. So, and a lot more junk to clean up in here, but it is looking good. So I'm just going to finish up this last guy here, and then we're done. And that's it for now. She's running great.